8-tree dent check. The 8-tree dent check is a precise and easy-to-use tool designed to make dent measurement fast and accurate. It's perfect for auto body shops, mobile repair technicians, and even DIY enthusiasts who want to assess dents and surface damage quickly. With this tool, you don't have to rely on guesswork or manual measurements. The dent check provides clear digital readings of dent size and depth in seconds. This helps you plan repairs efficiently and ensures you achieve professional results every time. Its lightweight and compact design makes it highly portable, so you can move between vehicles or panels easily without any hassle. ArborTech Mini Grinder MG1000. The ArborTech Mini Grinder MG1000 is a powerful and compact tool designed to make woodworking and shaping tasks easier, faster, and more precise. Its small, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, giving you full control to carve, grind, shape, or smooth wood with ease. Whether you're creating curves, detailed patterns, or finishing rough surfaces, this mini grinder lets you work confidently and accurately. Equipped with a strong motor, the MG1000 delivers smooth and consistent performance, handling dense or tough wood without slowing down. The balanced design and comfortable grip reduce fatigue during long sessions, so you can focus on your work without strain. Changing accessories is quick and simple, allowing you to switch between grinding, carving, or sanding tasks effortlessly. Bessie Stay Telescopic Drywall and Ceiling Support. The Bessie Stay is a versatile and reliable telescopic support tool designed to make holding building materials easier and safer. It's perfect for drywall installation, ceiling work. Bosch D-Tech 200C Wall and Floor Scanner. The Bosch D-Tech 200C is a smart and reliable tool that helps you see what's hidden inside walls, floors, and ceilings before you drill or cut. It's perfect for construction, renovation, or maintenance work, letting you avoid damaging pipes, cables, or other hidden objects. With its advanced radar detection, you can quickly locate metal, wood, plastic pipes, and even live electrical wires, making every job safer and more accurate. This scanner shows the depth and position of objects, so you know exactly how far inside the surface they are. It works on concrete, brick, and drywall, giving clear, precise readings to prevent mistakes. You can also detect hidden moisture or water leaks, which is useful for plumbing inspections and home maintenance. The D-Tech 200C features multiple scanning modes and a large color display, making it easy to use in corners, tight spaces, or tricky angles. Its intuitive interface ensures even beginners can operate it confidently. You can save scans and transfer them to a computer for documentation or analysis. Powered by Bosch 12-volt max Li-ion batteries, it's cordless, portable, and durable, with dust and splash protection for tough job site conditions. The Bosch D-Tech 200C makes hidden hazards visible, reduces errors, and helps you work smarter, faster, and safer. Bosch GBH 18-volt 22X Professional. The Bosch GBH 18-volt 22X Professional is a powerful cordless rotary hammer designed for efficient drilling and chiseling in concrete, brick, wood, and metal. It features an 18-volt brushless motor that delivers consistent power and longer battery life, making heavy-duty tasks easier and faster. The innovative one-chuck system allows you to switch effortlessly between SDS Plus, cylindrical, and hex bits without extra adapters, saving time and keeping work smooth. Safety and comfort are key features, with kickback control protecting against sudden tool reactions and vibration control reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The tool's lightweight and well-balanced design make it easy to handle, even during long projects. It can drill up to 22 millimeters in concrete, 13 millimeters in metal, and 26 millimeters in wood, providing versatility for a variety of jobs. For cleaner work, it can be paired with Bosch dust extraction accessories, keeping the workspace tidy and improving visibility. This hammer is ideal for professional builders and serious DIYers who need a reliable, flexible, and powerful tool. With its combination of strength, safety, and convenience, the Bosch GBH 18-volt 22X makes demanding drilling and chiseling tasks faster, easier, and more comfortable, helping you get professional results every time. DeWalt DCE 710 20-volt max pipe deburring tool. The DeWalt DCE 710 is a powerful and easy-to-use cordless tool designed to make pipe deburring fast, smooth, and efficient. It works on both the inner and outer edges of pipes, giving clean, precise results without the effort and frustration of manual files or hand tools. Perfect for plumbing, HVAC, electrical conduit, and general pipe work, it handles a variety of materials, including metal, copper, PVC, and stainless steel with ease. Powered by DeWalt's 20-volt max battery system, this tool delivers consistent power for smooth cutting, letting you complete tasks quickly and professionally. DeWalt DWX 726 Miter Saw Stand. The DeWalt DWX 726 Miter Saw Stand is a strong and reliable support system designed to make cutting tasks easier and more precise. Made from heavy-duty steel, it keeps your miter saw stable, ensuring accurate cuts every time. Its adjustable legs and extendable support arms let you work comfortably with different materials and sizes, making it perfect for woodworking, carpentry, and construction projects. Setting up and folding the stand is simple thanks to its quick lock mechanisms, so you can move it between job sites without hassle. The wide, sturdy base keeps your saw secure, even during heavy or long cuts, providing safety and confidence while working. Despite its strength, the stand is lightweight enough to carry easily, offering a balance of portability and durability for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The DWX 726 is compatible with most miter saws and can handle large boards smoothly. Its foldable design makes storage convenient, saving space while maintaining strength and reliability. With this stand, you can cut more efficiently, work faster, and stay organized. It's designed to make every cutting task safer, more accurate, and more enjoyable, giving you a dependable solution for all your saw work. This stand turns challenging projects into smooth, precise, and stress-free work, making it a must-have tool for anyone serious about cutting and carpentry. Hilti Neuron SCN 60x22 Battery Chainsaw. The Hilti Neuron SCN 60x22 is a powerful cordless chainsaw designed to make wood cutting fast, easy, and safe. With a 40-centimeter guide bar and a high-speed chain, it cuts through timber, lumber, and even cross-laminated wood smoothly, giving you strong performance for a variety of tasks. Its cordless design means you can move freely without worrying about cords or outlets, making it perfect for both job sites and outdoor projects. Safety and control are key features of this chainsaw. The low kickback chain and narrow guide bar reduce sudden recoil, while the ergonomic design and comfortable grips keep you steady and in control during every cut. The handguard and chain brake add an extra layer of protection, giving confidence even when working on tough or awkward cuts. Powered by Hilti's Neuron battery system, the SCN 60x22 delivers long runtime and consistent power, allowing you to complete more cuts per charge. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during long sessions. Whether you're pruning trees, cutting poles, or handling demolition work, this chainsaw is built to perform efficiently and reliably. Hilti P3D 800 3D Laser Scanner. The Hilti P3D 800 is a professional 3D laser scanner designed to make capturing real-world measurements fast, precise, and effortless. It is perfect for construction sites, renovation projects, and architectural work, turning entire rooms, buildings, or outdoor areas into accurate 3D digital models. These scans help engineers, architects, and builders plan, document, and verify their work more efficiently. The P3D 800 captures detailed 3D data quickly, automatically leveling and calibrating itself for millimeter-accurate results. The scanned data can be exported to popular design and BIM software like Autodesk or Bentley, making it ideal for as-built documentation, quality control, and creating digital twins. This ensures precise planning and reduces mistakes or costly rework. Designed for ease of use, the scanner features intuitive controls and automatic scanning, allowing even complex areas to be captured with minimal setup. Hilti VC150 Dust Extractor. The Hilti VC150 Dust Extractor is a powerful and reliable wet and dry vacuum designed to keep your work area clean and safe during tough jobs. Perfect for construction sites, renovation work, or workshops, it handles dust, debris, and liquids efficiently, letting you focus on the task instead of worrying about cleanup. Its strong suction captures dust right at the source, making it ideal for use with grinders, saws, drills, and other heavy-duty tools. This extractor works with both wet and dry materials, so whether it's spilled water, slurry, or fine dust from sanding and cutting, it manages everything smoothly. Its high suction meets professional safety standards, reducing harmful dust exposure and creating a cleaner, healthier work environment. The automatic filter cleaning keeps the vacuum running at peak performance without stopping to clean manually, saving time and energy. Built tough with rugged housing and smooth rolling wheels, the VC150 is easy to move across any job site. Practical features like hose and cable storage, bungee attachments, and a built-in power outlet on some models make it even more convenient. You can plug tools directly into the vacuum, and the suction starts automatically when the tool is on. Woodpecker's Micro Square. The Woodpecker's Micro Square is a precise and easy-to-use tool designed to make measuring, marking, and squaring tasks simple and accurate. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects, it helps you check corners, align edges, and mark boards with confidence. Unlike ordinary squares, this micro square is compact, lightweight, and built with tight tolerances, giving precise results every time. Its hardened steel construction and finely ground edges ensure long-lasting accuracy, so you don't have to worry about it wearing out or losing shape. The laser-etched markings are clear and easy to read, making it simple to transfer measurements, set up fences, or mark perfect 90-degree angles. Its small size allows you to reach tight corners and workspaces where larger squares might not fit, giving you flexibility and control on any project. The Woodpecker's Micro Square is perfect for checking fit, aligning parts, and making professional cuts or joints. Whether you're a professional woodworker, a metal fabricator, or a DIY enthusiast, it helps you work faster, more accurately, and with less frustration.